Chapter 7. Definitions of nature of management control. Firstly, is a controlling. This is a function of management which helps to check errors in order to take corrective action. Next is management is a process of planning, decision making, organizing, leading, motivation, and controlling human resources and financial, physical, and information resources of an organizations of which it's possible efficiently and effectively. Physical and management is guide us to the better journey and got the aim objective of your goal. Control of man, engagement management is described as a function that is aimed at achieving defined goals with a set of times, especially it ensures that every activity of a business is furthering its goals and allow the management to decide whether change their plans to continue with them as they are. And next we have two types of management control. First is regulative control. It's promote goals attainment in management control. Policy meaning to say these types of management control ensure the company follow the proper standard and guidelines to operate. The next is normative control. It is relies on accepting patterns of stable and standard. Nature in management is goal-oriented. It is concerned with achievement of specific specific goal. This nature will attain the common goal through the efforts of employees, and we have management universal, meaning to say management is everywhere. All the organization faces similar concern to the people since management involves getting things done through other only human being and perform this activity with the help of planning and control. And that's all for the chapter 7. Bye bye.